planting the coffee plants for the villages. Whoa.
It's not going to be on our land.
We planted a few on our land.
Huh?
A few were on our land.
Yeah, but the majority are coming here. This is our favourite neighbour. He comes every day for cigarettes. Dances, he's always happy.
Yeah, he's our Shiba neighbor.
Has a cigarette in his mouth and does push-ups, like, showing off, like,
There's the coffee plants.
फाइनको त अलग कुरा हो आफै मर्ने त अलग कुरा भइहाल्यो
Go down. With my hot leg without killing myself.
Not now, it's
Pretty
ready
good.
to.
How many do we have? One?
We need, I think, 90-20 volts.
यो खेल्ने ठाउँ हो सुन्नु यहाँ तर्का सर्का लान्न यहाँ जम्मै यहाँ फ्याक्ट्री पार्नु
यहाँ नि गर्ने हुन्छ
21, plenty boy.
21.
छेउछेउ मदर लगाउने
21?
21? 6 time,
यही यस्तो हो नि यहाँ 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 मात्रा यहाँ
I did this before.
huh?
The ground looks better here though.
Yeah, it's nice ground, huh? Whoa, that's some nice soil. If you throw it too far away, we can't put it in.
There are also earthworms, so it's...
I think they're gonna put fertilizer. They're gonna put buffalo poop.
There's so many leeches on the way here. Oh, look at them.
Yeah.
Yeah, here's one. Oh, I stuck my finger down. There's another one. Look. This one is actually attached to me. Look how they move. They like move their little front.
Looking for a place to suck.
And then they follow with their little back. This one's already attached to me.
Can you move?
Quick.
Yeah, of course.
It's so quick to get stuck.
Oh, I stepped on something sharp.
Are you barefoot?
Yeah.
I'm just teasing this little guy. Oh! You get to watch him walking. He's trying to stick to my fingernail, but
Send
that's
them off
not
to the
quite.
next life or to the jungle.
Yeah, I think the jungle will do for me right now. Bye! You were great. Oh, look, I'm bleeding! There's such a tiny one.
What you got there?
Buffalo poop on my hands. I got a bag of buffalo poop. Inside? Oh my word, fun. This is very good.
Oh,
Not more, little.
calm down with the poop, my love. Never thought I'd be able to say that properly. I'm so happy I'm catching this on camera.
Yeah?
No, just watching the unfoldment of life.
Did you do this kind of work before? No.
I have, but not with the poop in my hands.
Oh.
Just that.
You gotta put poop in all the holes.
Gotta put poop in all the holes. I put poop in that hole yet.
Planting coffee.
Did we make this?
Buffalo poop for the fertilizer.
Don't make this one.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Poopy hands, poopy hands. First one basically done. Tutorial is 21, but there's 29 more to go.
He sure is throwing the soil down there.
यो अलि दुःख हुन्छ त यो
Yeah, see? That's how
भरि
we
सर्न
do
पानी
it.
आयो भने
Some
Pani.
mulch,
Yeah, we need some water.
there's some pani. And now this is gonna be a beautiful coffee tree.
That is beautiful, huh?
One is done.
One is done. And that's all you get to see, I think. But you know what's up, helping plant trees for the villages.
For the plant?
For the planet, for the villages.
Plant
Same.
for the planet.
It's all the same. If you help one of them, you help all of them.
Second one going in.
Whoa.
That's so beautiful.
Boom, Shiva.